Namaste everyone. Wish you all wonderful positive energies. How are you all? Wish you all very happy Navratri also. I hope you are enjoying the festive season but safely at home. So today I am here to present the next step of Ujjayi Pranayam, that is to practice Ujjayi Pranayam along with the bandhas. So to start with, one is Jalandhar Bandha, that means chin lock. So what we do in Jalandhar Bandha is we tuck the chin little more towards the throat or chest. And another is Mool Bandha, that is the root lock. So how to do it? Normally sit with back straight, shoulders roll back, chest open. Your hands can be on your knees in Chin Mudra. Don't create the tension in any part of the body, but the back is straight. So inhale with Ujjayi. Chin lock. Hold the breath till the time it's possible for you. Exhale to release your locks. So you are releasing the lock to exhale out. So it's kind of that. So I am showing once again. Sit with back straight. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. So you release the lock to exhale out. Another is along with Mool Bandha as well as Jalandhar. So it's like Mool Bandha is your root lock, the base of the spine, and then Jalandhar Bandha is chin lock. So the similar way, inhale. So you release both the locks to exhale out. So it's kind of that. I'm showing two more times. Remember that you're holding the breath after inhalation with the locks. Inhale. So this the duration of the retention of the breath internally, it can be as per your own comfort level. Once you practice, it will improve with the time what you have given. So it's like you, and right now you are able to hold for maybe 3 to 4 seconds or 5 seconds. Then going forward, as you practice, you will be able to hold little longer. So this is very useful when practiced with the bandhas, because it really enable us to store the benefits of this pranayam or energy created with this pranayam inside our body. So that's why the bandhas are. So to again explain one more time the benefits of this pranayam, it is a tranquilizing pranayam. So very calming for the mind. It soothes the nervous system. Also it helps us to lower the high blood pressure levels. It helps for the patients of insomnia, and also it is really very useful to calm our mind. So please practice and let me know the feedback, your experience. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Arogyam Dhanu Sampada. Thank you so much. Wish you all wonderful positive energies again.